In today's video, I'll show you how to set up Cloudflare pages and deploy a website directly from your project files or a connected code repository. If you're new to Cloudflare pages, it is a platform that allows you to host and deploy modern websites with a simple setup process. First, sign into your Cloudflare account and open the dashboard. From the menu, find the Workers and Pages section. Next, open the Pages tab and choose the option to create a new project. Now connect your code repository if you have one. Cloudflare Pages can automatically build and deploy your website whenever you update your project. After connecting your repository, select the project you want to deploy and continue to the setup options. Next, configure your build settings. Choose the framework or build tool your website uses, then enter the required build command and output folder if needed. If you are uploading a simple static website, you can use the direct upload option and add your website files manually. Once the settings are ready, start the deployment process. Cloudflare will build your project and publish it to a live URL. After the deployment finishes, open the provided link and check that your website loads correctly. You can also add a custom domain from the Pages settings. Connect your domain and follow the DNS instructions to use your own website address. Cloudflare Pages also provides tools for managing deployments, preview versions, and project settings from the dashboard. And that's how you set up Cloudflare Pages. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.